Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the press and hold delay for your create button or the PlayStation button on the controller. Maybe you accidentally press this when you're playing games and this menu pops up or it takes a picture and you just want to go ahead and make that press a little bit longer. Well, there is an option on the PlayStation 5 settings for that specifically. So we can go up to the top and go to settings right here and then scroll on down to accessories. Then we can go to controllers and we can go to the right and there is an option here for press and hold delay. Set the press and hold delay for the PlayStation button and the create button, which is this button right here. So we have standard or we have long, so let's go to long. Now I'm going to go and just press this and hold this down. So it is a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and press and hold this down. So maybe like a second. So go ahead and look at the option if you want to go and change that around. It doesn't make a huge difference, but if you're holding this down, it might make a little bit of a difference for you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.